We're rolling out 60 different strategies taken from 60 different YouTube channels in 60 days. This is strategy number 10, where we're going to have Mel Lum from Craps Hawaii, Easy 75 Strategy. Hey, my name is Joe, and this is my Craps Master journey. Let's make it yours too. So like I said, this is strategy number 10. It's taken from Mel Lum, who was one of the original Hawaii craps YouTubers. He runs a site. It's by the name of Mel Lum. People call him Uncle Mel, and it's Craps Hawaii. And the name of the strategy is You Need to Learn My Easy 75 Strategy. It has almost 13,000 views as of now, and it was filmed originally in June of 2019. He starts off with a $500 to $800 bankroll. We have $600 in the in here, and we'll see how that goes. What he does is he starts off his strategy with $30 on the 6, $30 on the 8, and he goes with a $15 field bet. And that is working, so that means on that come out roll, he's going to have all this money's up here working, so that if it does hit, it does pay out. So what we'll do then is we'll roll the dice here, and we'll look for a come out point. Keep in mind, 7 rolls on all this stuff, we will lose all that money. If one of the box numbers rolls, that'll become the point. If anything else rolls, we'll get paid out in that field. So anything but that 7 is what we're looking for. We have a 5, 5, 10, hard 10. So our point will be a 10. And what's going to happen is we'll get paid out $15 in that field for that bet. So what he does here now is he takes the $15 profit, he put it up on the 10, on the 5. Let's take the $15 from the field, put it on the 9. So now we have all the inside numbers covered, the 5, 6, 8, and 9. And his goal now is to get everything down as fast as possible so we can recover that $75 that we had put out there to start off the strategy with. So let's roll this out here. We have a 1, 1, 2 that does nothing. Snake eyes. And we have a 5, 1, 6. So what's going to happen now is we have $30 on that 6. That's going to pay out $35. And let's see how this is going to look when we do this now. Because what happens is, like I said, he tries to reduce these bets as fast as possible so we can get that money off the table. He's trying to recover that $75. So what's going to happen is we're going to take this down. We'll go back up with 15 from our profits. And we're going to rack $50. So all we have left now to recover is $25 of that initial 75 that was started. Next roll, we're going to try to do that. So we have a 3, 2, 5. That 3, 2, 5, 3 is going to pay out $21. Okay, and what's going to happen now is our 6 we're going to bring down. So we're going to put $15 on that 6. And we're going to rack the rest. So now we have, and let me bring this other two out. We have got $75, $85, $86 in profits now. So we have recovered the $75, and we're actually up $11. So from here now, once he has recovered his initial bankroll, he will go through and he'll do a different pressing units. So he likes to collect money. Uncle Mel is big about collecting money. He does not want to go into the negative, and he wants to get as much table money off the table as fast as possible. But he also is not afraid to press when you are in that profit zone. So let's see how we can do this with the pressings. 6, 3, 9. That 9 has 3 units on, so that's going to pay out $21. So what can we do here now, guys? Let's go and add in, let me get some nickels here. I'm sorry, some pennies. We'll get 5 pennies. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's drop in $14. And we'll go 2 units on the 5, 2 units on the 6, 2 units on the 8. And that's going to bring us up to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we were supposed to have had, just so you know, guys, and that's my mistake. Prior to that, we were supposed to have $3 a cap on each one of these. So that will bring it up. Okay, let me get some change here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. That looks better. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that would be 5. So that's a quarter. That's a quarter. We're going to make this look like 30. There we go. Now we have the 6 and the 8 at $30 after pressing up. And we still have our original $75 in the bank, and we're at $2 profit right now. So let's see what we can do with this now. And we have a 617, so that did not pay off for us. We did go for the jump, we did go for the leap, and it ended up burning us a little bit. So we're going to lose all this money on the table, but hey, we still are $2 above our original bankroll. Because again, we started off with $75 out there. Let's do this shooter one more time again. So we're going to go $30 on the 6, $30 on the 8. We're going to go with $15 in that field. And puck is off. We're going to be doing a come out roll looking for that point. And we have a 639, so our point will be 9. Again, everything on the table was working. We're going to get paid out $15 on that field bet, because it's a field 9. And we're just going to move that up to the 9. So now we're all set up. We're going to try to get these numbers reduced here down as fast as possible. So we have a 325. It's going to pay out $21. And what we're going to do is let's reduce this 6 down. So we're going to take that off of there. We'll go to $18, and that's where I messed up the last time. So $18 on the 6, and we're going to rack 35. Okay. And you know, hey, if I really wanted to be slick on this, I could reduce that off right away here. Let's do that once. Let's see what happens. I'm going to drop this to get 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can pull that down. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So we have 18 on the 6, 18 on the 8. And look what happened. That one hit brought us to getting $52 back out of our 75. So we're still looking for $23 more. And if any one of these hits, that's going to be a $21 hit. So that's a little bit of a different pace on this. 639 is perfect. That is our point. So our puck comes off. We get paid out $21. So we have basically everything recovered except for just a few dollars on that 75. So we are almost in the profit already. Again, he works everything on the come-outs, so everything is working. Looking for a point. We have a 6, 5, 11. That did a roll. That was a 6. So that is nothing. We're still looking for a point. And we have a 3, 3, 6. Perfect. Again, like I said, everything was working. So the puck goes to the 6. We get paid out $21 for that 18 that's on the 6 right now. And now we are definitely in the profit. So let's put this in the rack. And next time something rolls here, we will press it up. Okay, and we have a 617. So that did not happen. Puck comes off, and that is a 7. So we do lose everything that's on here. So hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of what the strategy is about, how it works, and how it can be very profitable should you hit these numbers, because he gets that money off as fast as possible. Again, like I said, we started off with $600 in there. Let's see where we're at right now. We should be up a little bit. 1, 2, 4. 5. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our original bankroll. We actually, on our 2 shooters, came out with $14 profit. So that does work exactly how Uncle Mel talks about. Hey, if you like this strategy, make sure you check out his site. It's at Mel Lum, and I'll leave a link in the description to this video. And if you like the crap strategy videos that I'm putting out, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And make sure that you share and you subscribe to my channel, and then click on that link on that side there, and that'll bring you to more of my craft strategies. Hey, my name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too.